The nervous system, that is vast, complex structure that perform the action after sensation, after sensory information. The nervous system. We will discuss today organization. What is organization in the nervous system? It is composed of central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, which is vast, complex structure for the action after sensory information. This nervous system have two parts. One is brain and spinal cord. In peripheral nervous system, which is sensory area and motor area. Now we will discuss very deeply here. What is brain? What is spinal cord? What is sensory area? What is motor area? Actually, brain consists of, look at the structure. Look at the structure here. Suppose we have brain, little brain. This little brain have two hemispheres. Within these two hemispheres, we have basal ganglia, hypothalamus, limbic system, basal ganglia, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and cerebellum region in the brain. After that, here the brain stem, that part of brain. But after the brain stem, spinal cord. This spinal cord have neurons and also have spinal fluid. These neuron, interneuron, motor neuron, mixed neuron, sensory neuron. So different kinds of neurons in the spinal cord and brain. Now, sensory information. Suppose we divide the brain into two regions. One is motor area, another is sensory area. This sensory area stored 99% information from the receptors. One is mechanoreceptors, chemoreceptors, thermoreceptors. These receptors give the information to the organs, and from organ to the brain region, one is sensory area, which from where it is in the sensory area. These receptors give information in the ear, eye, skin, when pain, during pressure. Now, how the motor area work? In the nervous system, synapses. These synapses transmit the information in the central nervous system, and after that, from the help of nerve action potential, by the help of synapse, information is transmitted by nerve with the help of action potential. From where it goes into the organs for the stimulation. Which kind of stimulation? This is motor activity. This is motor stimulation. Synapses have two types. One is electrical synapse. Another is chemical synapse. The structure of synapse have two membrane, one presynaptic membrane, postsynaptic membrane. Sometimes dopamine in the presynaptic membrane isn't secreted in normal amount. When dopamine isn't secreted in the normal amount, it means less amount of motor activity. How much motor activity? This motor activity, which is totally 1% from the brain, but dopamine isn't secreted, isn't in normal concentration. We use different kind of drugs for the stimulation. When dopamine secreted in normal concentration, drugs increase the motor activity. From the central nervous system. I want to explain you again this information. Nervous system composed of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, sensory area and motor area. Brain consists of cerebrum, and which is have us two hemisphere in the cerebrum, sensory area and motor area. Within the cerebrum, we have limbic system and basal ganglia and different kinds of glands, and also we have brainstem in the brain. And I want to explain you another, which is spinal cord. Spinal cord consists of spinal fluid, and in the spinal cord we have different kinds of neurons. One is sensory, motor neurons, interneuron and mixed neurons. These neurons store the information. When they store the information, it goes into the brain. After that, brain store the sensory information, which is 99%. This 99% information comes from the receptors, mechanoreceptor, chemoreceptor and thermoreceptors. How much? 99%. After that, 1%, 99% which is total. When sensing information goes 100%, 99% stored for the future, and other 1%, this 1% for the motor activity. This motor activity converted by the help of synapses, synaptic structure, which is presynaptic membrane and postsynaptic membrane, and central area which is known as cleft, synaptic cleft. Synapses takes the information and transmit it by the help of nerve with the help of action potential. When in the nerves action potential generate, sensory information transmitted into the motor activity. There are two types of synapses. One is electrical synapse, another is chemical synapse. Sometimes in the synapses there is less amount of dopamine concentration, and also there is less amount of serotonin concentration. When there is less amount of dopamine concentration, it means motor activity is in less amount of motor activity, when low amount of dopamine. So with the help of drugs, we increase the motor activity in the central nervous system. If the dopamine concentration secreted normal with the help of drugs, it means drugs stimulate the motor activity. Different kinds of drugs you will find in the pharmacology. So with the help of drugs, motor activity increased in the nervous system. So thank you so much guys, this information for you.